Hey there, writer. Let me guess, you're stuck. The words aren't coming. The ideas feel flat. Your mind is blank, and the screen is empty. It feels like you've hit a wall you just can't break through. That wall has a name, writer's block. But what if I told you that this block isn't the end of your story? That it's just the beginning of something amazing if you know how to get past it. Stick with me till the very end, because I'm going to share 5 powerful, life-changing ways to break free from writer's block, and at the end, I'll reveal a secret most writers never hear that could change the way you write forever. Step 1. Accept that writer's block is normal. Let me start with the truth. Every writer, yes, every single one faces writer's block at some point. It doesn't mean you're not a real writer. It doesn't mean you're not good enough. It just means you're human. Here's something to think about. Even famous authors like J.K. Rowling, Stephen King, and George R.R. Martin have been stuck. The difference? They kept going. Step 2. The bad writing rule. This might sound strange, but one of the fastest ways to beat writer's block is to give yourself permission to write badly. Seriously. Terrible writing. Ugly sentences. Awful grammar. Why? Because most of the time, the block comes from fear. Fear of not being good enough. Fear of writing something silly. You can always fix bad writing. But you can't fix a blank page. Your first challenge should be to write the worst paragraph you can. Make it horrible on purpose. And I promise you'll start to laugh, and the words will start to flow. Ready to try it? Step 3. Change your writing space. Sometimes the problem isn't in your head, it's around you. Are you writing in the same spot every day? Is your space cluttered or noisy? Changing your environment can change your mind. Try writing in a coffee shop, moving to a park, even just switching rooms. Sometimes a new view unlocks new words. Want proof? I once moved my desk to face a window, and within minutes, my story came back to life. Step 4. Set tiny, impossible to fail goals. Writer's block often shows up when the task feels too big. Write a novel equals overwhelming. Write 50 words equals doable. The smaller the goal, the easier it is to start. And once you start, something magical happens. Your brain wants to keep going. Try this. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Write anything, or write just one sentence. Then another, and another. Before you know it, you'll look up and realize you've written a page without even trying. Step 5. Reconnect with your why. Sometimes writer's block isn't about the writing. It's about forgetting why you started. Why do you want to write this story? What made you fall in love with writing in the first place? Take a moment, close your eyes, picture the scene, the characters, the message you want to share with the world. That spark, that feeling, hold on to it. Because the truth is, your story matters. And the world needs it, even if it takes time to bring it to life. The bonus secret is, writer's block is just fear in disguise. And now, as promised, here's the secret that most writers never hear. Writer's block isn't real. It's fear wearing a mask. Fear of not being good enough. Fear of failure. Fear of what people will think. But guess what? You are braver than that fear. The cure isn't to wait until you feel ready. The cure is to write even when you don't feel ready. One word, one sentence, one page, and little by little the wall crumbles. The story appears. This is what I want you to do right now. Comment below and write just one sentence of your story or article. It doesn't matter if it's good or bad. Just write it. I'll be reading every comment. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, and share it with another writer who might need it. Writer's block doesn't control you. You control the words. And you are a writer.